Okay guys, ever wanted a clean way to let customers jump straight into a category with a nice preview image right alongside it? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely organized. Today we're adding this category showcase section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 9. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type Category Showcase, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. On the right side, there's an option that says Select a Collection. Click on it and its settings open up too. I'll add the collection I want to showcase here, and I'll do the same for every card one by one. This is a partner account, so I don't have too many unique products added, which is why I'm reusing a few collections, but the process stays the same either way. After adding all the collections, let's close this and open the main settings for this section. There's not much to explain here, honestly. First, there's the width option, which is currently set to max, and it should stay that way. Below that, there's top and bottom padding, which you can increase or decrease, but I won't be touching that right now. Now, the last option here is the layout. There are 3 different layouts available, and you can choose whichever one you like best. You can even change it later whenever you feel like your store needs a fresh look. You could switch it up every week if you wanted to. And honestly, that's really all it takes to customize this section, and pretty much every section in Section Kit. Links in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.